Today I'm going to teach you how to use AND function by using if condition by simple formulas. To do so, start with equal sign, then if bracket and bracket. I'm going to check if this one is greater is not equal to this, to this one. Also, if this one is not equal to this, comma, say okay, otherwise say not okay. Yes. So the explanation of this formula means that G2 is not equal to I2. G2 is not equal to I2. This one is false. Also, this one is true because 40 is not equal to 45. This criteria is true. G2 is not equal to O2. G2 is not equal to O2. Also, this criteria is true because 40 is not equal to 50. So if all these conditions if all these criteria meet the conditions, the answer is okay. If not meet, the answer is not okay. So the answer will be okay because G2 is not equal to I2. Also, G2 is not equal to 50. It is true. To use the combination of less than and not equal means less than and greater than. This represent not equal to. So the answer is false. But if I change this one, let's say write 40, the answer is not okay because G2 is equal to I2, while in my formula I said G2 is not equal to I2. So this one criteria does not meet the condition because this one 40 is equal to 40. So this is how to use AND function by using if condition. Also, I can change this formula. Let's say G2 is equal to I2. Also, G2 is equal to O2. Yes. So this is simple. You can find out if G2 is equal to I2 and if G2 is equal to O2. This one is equal to G2 is equal to I2. It is okay. It is true. G2 is equal to O2. This one not okay. But if I change, let's say 40, the answer is okay because 40 is equal to 40 and 40 is equal to 40 in this way. So when I change anyone, the answer will be not okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more videos from this channel. Like, share and comment. Thank you.